Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can make custom stickers in WhatsApp. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So let us get started with you. And go to the WhatsApp app first, and then go to the chat section, and go to the person you want to send the sticker to. And here where the message bar is, you can click on this sticker. And then you can see there are stickers that WhatsApp offers you. You can send any of them. But if you are not satisfied with these stickers, you want to create your own, then it is very easy to do so. Click here on Create. This will take you to your gallery. And you will select any photo from the gallery. Wait for all the data to be processed. And this is where you'll be able to choose which of the two sticker options you want to create. For example, you can create a sticker variant of a full photo, or you can simply cut out an item from it. And after that, when you choose the one that you prefer, click Submit. And as you can see, the sticker will be immediately sent to the correspondence. And when you go to Stickers again, you'll see that the sticker you just created and sent will now be in your stickers forever. That's how you will be able to make custom stickers in WhatsApp, friends. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Bye-bye.